Oh, monkey. Woo, 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 woo. Come on, monkey. Little birdie want to talk to monkey. Have nice banana. Woo, 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 woo. Birdie get monkey a pretty banana. If monkey open cage, yum yum. Come on! I've got a wife and 3 eggs. Imagine them hatching, never knowing their daddy. Come on! Open the cage! Open it! Open it! Open it! Yeah, that's more like it. Ah! Close the cage! Close it! Close it! Close it! Your monkey's trying to kill me! I saved your life! It's payback time, Owen! Ah! Whoa!
Raja, you know better than to tear around the palace like that.
Hey!
So, Aladdin, why did you bring up that deceitful parrot?
Sultan, I have to tell you something about Iago. He's here?
Iago! Guards!
No!
Get
Wait!
that bird!
Yes, Your Highness. It would be my pleasure.
No, Sultan! No!
Move out of my
Don't
way,
understand.
boy!
Just listen! I have a...
Your Highness!
I trust he has a fitting explanation for this scandal.
He had better.
Your Highness, I think Iago was,
Mesmerized.
Yeah. He was under Jafar's spell. Remember the snake staff? Iago was only, look, Iago's not all that bad. At least, I don't think so anyway.
Should have stuck with the snake staff defense.
Not all bad. He only served my greatest enemy, that's all!
We can't allow that traitorous bird to run free!
Then I'll watch him. Your Highness, I meant, with your permission, I'd like to take full responsibility for Iago.
You would?
Your priorities seem questionable to me, but so be it. Aladdin, you will watch Iago every moment.
And if the bird makes one wrong move, you shall be the one I pluck, boy!